What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Hope you guys are having a nice day. Right now it's a super nice day for me. Summer weather. So y'all know what that means. That guy knows what that means. But yeah, it's a nice day today. Here's the FA5. It's a little bit dirty, but it's still looking clean. Side skirts are on. Just a little update for the side skirts. The 3M ended up coming off, so had to add some screws to this end just to hold it up. Did it on both sides. So the skirts are secured now. Looks pretty good. Alright, so today I'm going to hit you guys with some POV action. It's been a while since I pulled out the GoPro, and ever since I changed the tires, haven't done like a video on it. Since I changed the tires to the Federals 595 SS. So yeah, let's do some POV action. Let's hit some VTEC. Let's have some fun. It's a nice day. Let's get it. It's actually hot out here. But yeah, we in the car, about to make the switch to the GoPro. Let's get this POV action started. And yeah, watch this switcheroo. Boom. So we're taking off in the GoPro. I mean with the GoPro. Yeah, it's been a while. I might get a few looks with this thing on my head, but it's all good. It's for the fans. Let's go. Let's get it started. So this car has K&N intake, NVIDIA Q300 catback exhaust, P2R throttle body spacer, and a Honda tune. Here we go. We turn off traction control. Let's do some first gear. This car pulls. Whew. Let's see if we can get one more in. Over here. Second gear. You gotta be careful. VTEC. So these Federals, they're super grippy in the dry when it's hot outside and it warms up. These tires are very sticky. Grips the road really well. In the wet, it's okay. It's not really the best, but it gets the job done. And the downside to these tires is that they're noisy. They're kind of noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera, but it's kind of noisy. But these tires are very durable. A lot of drifters like to run these, and yeah, they just get the job done on a budget. See how it grips? No chirping. Straight to the wheels. Oh, my bad. This guy's moving fast. driving. This car is pretty smooth. It's been good to me. Haven't had any issues so far. It does rub a bit in the front, just a little bit sometimes. That's that 4th gear VTEC cross. Let's get in one more pull. We're in 1st gear. Amazing. This car is so good, man. Just so much fun. Blast to drive. Nobody can hate on Hondas. Come on now. Maxed up on the front, but it feels pretty good for a daily. K-Tune K1 coilovers, by the way. Q300 is nice and deep. I do want this car to be a little bit more louder, so we'll see what we're about to do. Y'all will see. But yeah, so far it pulls really nice. The only thing I will say is this car is not the best on fuel mileage. I don't get the best fuel economy with this tune. I don't know why. I feel like the tuner made it fast and squeezed all the power it could with these mods, which sacrificed the fuel mileage. But it pulls really nice and smooth. Other than that, no complaints. Bit messed up, but it's all good. That was that POV action. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Had to hit some VTEC for y'all. You know the vibes. But quick update on the Miata. Right now, we're struggling to find some parts. Yeah, we're struggling to find some parts. The Miata is modified already, if you guys didn't know. It has coilovers, has the roll cage, it has rails, seats, steering wheel. So like the parts we're looking for is right now is out of stock. So that's what's happening with the Miata. And as far as the FA5, still a few more things I want to do, but we'll see. Stay tuned for future content. There should be some more stuff on the way. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Click the link in the description for merch. Thank you guys for the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what to do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.